Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam, and I do have an unboxing for you today. And as usual, I'm really excited about it. And this is I don't even know what the name of the brand is.
Subway?
Hopefully it'll say inside. No. And okay, so a little bit of story time. There is a girl on Instagram who makes really cool bag charms and decorations for her bags, and I'll link her down in the description box below. And she always picks some really fun colored bags as well. She has some neat Marc Jacobs ones, some nice Coach ones. She was the first person I see get this Latanier in this, like, almost like the Tiffany blue color. I was familiar with the brand because of Jean from Totes Jean, but she had that color, showed it, and I'm like, oh gosh, yeah. As soon as that went on sale, boom, it was mine. She showed this bag on Instagram, and I'm like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. It reminds me of a Speedy 20, but not anywhere near the price of a Speedy 20. And so I decided to take a chance and get this bag, because she had, I don't know if she linked the bag on Instagram, but you could tell what it was. She must have hashtagged it or something. So I decided to get one. So I found the site, I looked them up, and here's the box. It came, the box is a little beat up. There's just a ding in the corner here. I just don't want to like show my address here, so it's going to be another good true unboxing for you. So I'm just going to go through this here. All right, and let's see here if I can do this well. Can I take this off so I don't have to worry about my address showing? Of course, it's showing on here too. Like how they put one mail tag on it and then they have to put another tag on it. I don't know. So, okay, now I don't have to worry about it. Let me just put this in the garbage here. And I missed. Okay, so here we go. And open it up. Okay. So let's see. This has my name and information on it. So here, it's called Purificacion Garcia. Purificacion Garcia. Okay, so there's my information. I think, okay, I know it's got like my address and stuff on there. I was going to see if the price was on here at all. Says Star Lego for the name of the bag. Talks about returns. Okay, nothing really important there. So here's a little bag. I somehow don't think this would have fit in there, but as you can see, it's not huge. Like I said, I thought it reminded me of like what a Speedy 20 looks like.
Not a 19 or 21?
No. So it's just got this nice dust bag here, and then it says PG on it. Is that like what it's rated, or no?
Parental guidance.
So, yeah.
Might be some smooching in this bag.
Okay. Oh, it's such a fun color. It is basically just like that Speedy 20 for bag. So here's the bag. It's got a little bit of an indent from the handle here. I'll show you. I think that's the back, actually, but the back, the side. I'm assuming this is the front because it's got the little square on it. It's got PG on it. It's kind of quilted here. Smells good, like leather. There's that. The bottom does have feet, although this kind of bows down, so I'm not
Maybe
sure.
once you take the stuffing out, it won't be so full.
Got a nice zipper here. Ooh, nice.
Bought
Okay. It's got a removable but non-adjustable strap. Now let's get the goodies out. Here's some stuffing. Yeah, there's lots of stuffing in here. It's like a clown car. Oh, what was that? let's see. 100% something leather. It's in like Spanish or whatever, so I can't read it. I know it's leather, but I think it's maybe it's vegetable. No, I forgot. I read about it. It's a special kind of treatment of the leather. It starts with an A, but because I wanted to make sure it was real leather when I ordered it. So
it's covered with amoxicillin.
No.
Ampicillin.
Holy cats!
Wow.
It's like a clown car. I'm like, okay.
They must have a game at the plant. How much stuff can we stuff in the bag?
Here's just another PG card. That's in Spanish. I don't know what that is.
So put the strap on so people can see what it looks like on you.
I know. Must have this tag for, maybe that's one of those ones that makes noise. Okay, so
a
the
security
inside
tag?
Yeah, says the name on it right there. Otherwise, it's got a nice light colored canvas interior, which is really nice. This has got to be like the Speedy 20. Mike, can you grab me the tape measure? It's just gonna measure it here. Give you guys dimensions here. So it's about, let's say about 8 inches across. But let's see what that is. Is this centimeters here? No, this. Oh, yeah.
It's both.
So what is that? 20. Yeah. Okay. So it's exactly like the Speedy 20. Let's see, in case you want the rest here.
And the rest.
7 inches, top to bottom. Side here. Probably 5 at the widest.
Yeah.
Let's see how the drop like this is. Yeah, I could definitely hand carry it. All right, let's see how it looks on. Nice gold hardware. And so, need to be a shoulder carry bag, because if I did it like this, it'd be like a under the armpit boob bag. I don't think that's how it's meant to be worn, but just kind of comes down like that. And yeah,
under the arm boob bag.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
So yeah, again, I'll probably mush this a little bit around to kind of get the handle prints off it. Not like that really matters though. But yeah, isn't this cute? Okay, and this is like a fraction of the cost. So this is an all leather bag, and like the Speedy 20s, or the majority of the Speedy 20s that are canvas, all leather, and it is, I think it was $200 and some. And she's awesome. I just love this. I really like this style bag. Like, I have a couple Burberrys that are similar. I dropped something else behind me, but those are really similar, like, bags. And
the Burberry seems a little squatter.
Shorter, like?
Like squished, like down.
Okay.
Yeah.
But isn't this awesome? I just love this. So I've been looking at the Speedy 20s, but to me they're just way too much money for what they are. They just are. And then you can buy this that has a canvas interior, leather exterior, and for, you could, what could you buy, like almost 10 of these for what you probably could buy a Speedy 20 for. I am super excited about this. That girl hasn't steered me wrong. I don't know what her name is. She doesn't have her I don't believe her name is on it. But like I said, she'll be linked in the Instagram down in my... Her Instagram will be linked down below. But I love this. I'm really happy. I recently unboxed like my Swan bag. And Swan is probably one of my favorite brands ever. And I can see more of these in my future as well. They're just as nice as the luxury brands. It's so much less of a price. I mean, this is a full leather bag, rolled handles, beautiful contrast stitching. It's quilted. It's pebbled leather. And again, the name, because I am not going to be able to.
Somebody Garcia.
Purificacion Garcia is the name of the brand, and
We call him PG.
I am just stoked. This is awesome. I'm so glad I got this. I just really, really like the color. And I would have thought I had something this color in my collection, but I don't. So, well, the closest I have is that Louis Vuitton twist lock. That's similar, but this is more green. So, yeah, this is what I have for you today. I'll link the company down in the description box below as well. And like I said, I'll link the girl who I saw it on Instagram first, which got me hooked on this one. This is, I can say pretty confidently that this probably is not the last bag you'll see from that company, from me. This is awesome. I've been really, I'm going to deem 2025 the year of non-standard bags. I don't, what else should I say? Just
non-standard luxury.
Right. Where I am finding other brands that are more affordable being a relative term, than some of the luxury brands themselves that give you a great experience. I mean, this came in a nice box, came in a nice dust bag. They gave me a bag along with it just so that I'd have it. And just a fraction of the cost. So I am just super, super excited about this. And look for more. Like, I have my swan, I have this, Latanier I like.
Latanier, French for the bag.
Isn't it? Is it French for the tan?
I just made that up right now.
I was going to say, I thought it'd be for Tanner. But, anyways, okay, we almost named our middle son that. But we decided
Latanier?
No,
Oh.
Tanner. And then we thought about Tucker, but no, that weren't going to go there. So, Turner, it ended up being. But, yeah, that's what I have for you today. I really appreciate you watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Just trying to grow my channel. If you can, please leave a comment in the comments down below. I really appreciate those. I do answer all of those, and it just helps me get to know all of you just a little bit better. If you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. I do put out videos on YouTube on every Wednesday and Saturday, and that's usually in regards to luxury and contemporary, primarily handbags, some small leather goods, and a few other luxury items along the way. On Mondays or Tuesdays, I do a bag swap video where I swap from one bag into the next bag, and I'll talk a little bit about the bag that I was in, the bag I'm going into, and all the small leather goods or SLGs that I switch into at the time. And then every other Thursday I do a book related video, and that's usually a book haul, and then I kind of go over what I've been reading, what I'm going to be reading. Just it's book related. Me and Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture are doing a group read right now. We are reading When Women Ran Fifth Avenue, and really good book. I'm about halfway done, and we're going to have a live discussion the end of May, and hope you all will join along with that. It is somewhat luxury related, so that's one of the reasons we chose that book. And I think that's everything for today. So until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.